Good afternoon. My name is Betsy James, and the title of my project is Sound of a Mother's Heartbeat. Who all here has children, or a younger brother or younger sister? So then, this is something you've seen before. A crying baby. Crying baby can be really stressful, especially for a newly working mother who has to deal with household chores at the same time take care of a baby. So, wouldn't it be nice if a solution existed that would only calm a baby down when the mother's not around? This was my goal when I started the project about a year ago. But before I go any further, I'd like to give an overview of what to expect. I already gave a small introduction. Next, I talk about an existing pattern, my hypothesis, about project in depth, results, and conclusion. One of the things Dr. Conley had us do when he started working on the project was to search for existing patterns. He didn't want us to do something that already existed. So when I did my research, this is one of them I found. So this is a sound and heartbeat playback system by James Bennett. It's a device that can be placed in a child's toy, like a teddy bear, that can be used to calm a baby down. But it does not actually use a mother's heartbeat. Instead, it mimics a mother's heartbeat and other natural sounds. So when I did my hypotheses, I took a different approach. My first hypothesis is that a model can be developed that can represent an age group with a single sound. For my project, I divided the females from 18 to 40 into 4 different age groups. My second hypothesis is that this represented sound can be used to calm baby down. Next, I'd like to talk about how I got my data. The data is the different females from ages 18 to 40. So one of the things that came up was how I was going to record this data. And there seems to be an app for everything in this world today. So I started looking at the Apple App Store for different apps. I found a few different apps that actually record heartbeats. I was kind of surprised by that. The one I chose is called the Mobile Stethoscope. With this, I was able to record different heartbeats from the ages 18 to 40 and categorize into 4 different age groups. This is a block diagram showing the steps I took once I got my data. So the data, which is from here, I get the data from the app, like I said, which is a sound file. I convert that in time series, then I do 2 things. I take the fast Fourier transfer of the individual files, and I add all the files up. Then I take the average of the added files. The reason I did this is because, like I said, my first hypothesis is to see whether a single sound can represent an age group.